Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope, inshallah, wherever you are, all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه من كان يريد حرث الآخرة نزد له في حرثه ومن كان يريد حرث الدنيا نؤته منها وما له في الآخرة من نصيب. It means whoever desires the gain of the hereafter, we will give him more of that gain. And whoever desires the gain of this world, we give him of it. And in the hereafter, he has no portion. According to the teachings of the Quran, this world is the form of the hereafter. And we are planting crops that we will reap in the hereafter. If someone sows with the aim of enriching his hereafter, God Almighty will increase his crops. And if someone sows with the aim of short-term interest and to improve his world, God Almighty will not give him anything except this worldly interest. And he will be left empty-handed in the hereafter. Ayatollah Khamenei, commenting on this matter, says, Islam considers this world as part of the hereafter. Your life, your business, your studies, your administrative work, your political work are part of your hereafter. The world is also a piece of the hereafter. It's very important. It's a piece of the hereafter. These things that you do with good intentions or good deeds that will bring you close to God and His spiritual authorities in the hereafter. Or God forbid, if you do this act with bad intention, with a selfish intention, which then causes degradation and fall in hell, it's bad. Islam is like this. All our life environments, all our worldly endeavors are part of the hereafter. This world and the hereafter are not separate from each other. It is bad to do this daily material effort related to the life of this world with a bad intention. This is the reprehensible word they say. But this world is not separate from that world. This world is the form of that world. What does form mean? You all know better than me. So I don't see any requirement to explain this more. I just pose a question. Is it possible to harvest the product from a non-farm? No. Therefore, everything we see in the hereafter is the result of the actions we do in this world. Let's make the hereafter in this world easy for ourselves. All the best to you. Bye.